Hey everyone, this is Becky and I'm bringing you my design team. I'm a month behind on this, so this is for July for Calico Collage. But I made this little mini journal, and let's see, it measures 5 by 6.5. And the spine is 2 3/4. It is a hardcover, and I have strips of fabric. It's really shabby. It's called, from the kit, Sunny Mornings, and it's lots of sunflowers, lots of yellow and florals. It's really cute. Made one of my little tattered flowers up here on the top, and then this is a paper. This is on a piece of chipboard and burlap that I gessoed, and then I put one of the images from the kit on the top, and then paper butterfly with some rhinestones in the center, some lace here, and 3 little buttons, and then it's tied with seam binding and silk ribbon. So there's that. There's 5 signatures, and I attached them with the pamphlet stitch. I don't have my charm and tassel on here yet. That will be a surprise to whoever gets the book, but it goes right here. And then here's the back, and I just took strips and tore them and then sewed them together and then glued the cover on. There's a layer of duck cloth underneath, and then that's how the cover's on. Okay, so let's see, find the center here. And as you can see, it's kind of chunky. It's not bad. I left lots of room for people to write in. Let me turn it around this way. So inside, the inside is lined with the same duck cloth, and then I made a pocket on the front and back inside cover. And here I took some strips and I just cut them a different angle and put them here on the pocket as a little flap. Inside this pocket, I made a tag, and the story begins, and then these, some of the ephemera from her kit, and then I stamped on the back. And this mason jar is also from the kit. And here I have a little ruffled collage of fabric attached to this page. My pages are sewn together. I sewed them on like a cream colored paper and stamped. I used green thread, zigzag stitch in most of the areas. As a tag, and some more of the paper and some fabric. This is vintage fabric from France, and I have some of that in here. And the back stamp. This is a guest check receipt. This is a strip of velvet that I sewed on, and some stamping. This is a little bag with a bird. Seam binding up here, and just lots of stamping. This little tag and butterfly I have to attach still. I haven't decided where to put it yet, but it's stamped. I love the little fairy in the mason jar. This is a little, I did a little different book in here. It's tipped in, and it's a file folder from her kit, and then it's got a little paper bag in here and a tuck spot, and There's some paper and a mason jar that's smaller, tag, and then there's just paper that I tore, different pieces of paper, and they're all tipped in, so that's a little book. And then this has some of the yellow fabric, and this is the center. I have little butterflies and little flowers to go on here, and I'm going to add those. I am going on vacation tonight, so I'm going to finish all the little details and take this with me, but I wanted to get the video up anyway. Another pocket here and a tag. Did some stamping on it, light stamping, and some more blank spots. And a bag. This is a pocket here. And some more paper. This page here has a top tuck, and it's got a little folded coffee stained paper, little vintage image that I've had in my collection. This other half of a tag. This is a pocket with a tag in it that I better scoot this down. Added from the kit. And that's the first signature, second signature. And this is a top tuck, little tag. Another tag I tucked in. Writing. All of the pages are from Calico Collage kit, the Sunday mornings. This is a glassine envelope, tuck, and center of that signature. Here's another pocket with some tags. And this is one of my artist trading coins that I made. It's 2.5 inch circle. It says Nature's Wonder with a little bird. So I get mixed media artwork on there. And so I just tucked it in here. And this also has a side pocket on this page between these two pages. And some more paper. This is actually from Calico Collage, one of her fairy kits, but I thought the colors went well, and you can journal on that. Some more of the creamy color, yellowy, buttery color paper, and a journaling card and a tag. Keep sliding away. Some more paper from the kit, and here's another one. This is the ducking fabric, and then this is the third signature here. Some stamping, lines to write, glassine bag. This is a fabric pocket, and this is just a tag. It's got some birds and some collage stamping on it. And some more of the paper from the kit. Some layered stamping. Here's another pocket. And inside I have a little journaling card and another little folded piece of cardstock. Here's a little top tuck if you want to use it as such. Some more stamping. This is my favorite image. She's so pretty. I have in the lines here. This is a top tuck, and if you flip it over, I have this little tag in here, and I have this tag attached to it, and so it slides in and hangs over right there. And some more stamping, tag, page. Here's another cloth pocket with some tags, and they're all coffee stain cardstock on the back. This is a glassine bag, and inside I have some more papers that I got from my collection that I coffee stained and just folded up so that you can write on them. And this is just another image as well. And I have those tucked in this little bag. And then here I have made a little tuck spot with the flags and circles. This is another writing paper. And the side here, this fourth signature here. And some more pages in here to write on, and another tuck spot with a smaller journaling card. Some more of the kit pages, and here I have some journaling cards and a tag in the corner tuck pocket. Did some decorative, different kind of stitching, just playing around. And this is just another mason jar journaling card. Glassine bag and a little card I made with some little birds. And this is also from the kit. And that pocket. And another fabric collage. This is another little bag with a tag. This is a tag I made out of with a napkin. And then this is just coffee stain paper to write on. Glassine bag, paper. This is a guest check. I'm going to paper clip it here. This is a fabric collage that I made, and I'm going to have it paper clipped in as well, but I'm going to keep it removable, but you can pin things on it. It's got the layers of all the different fabrics I used, this piece of lace, and this. So you can write on it, you can move it around, you can use it as a bookmark, but that's that piece. And some stamping and some collaging of the papers. Some more trim. I made a belly band out of a strip of the collage, and it's got some tags in here that I made. And then this side is another pocket with some journaling cards, envelope. Here's some more. This is paper and tags. This I'm going to adhere to this page. It's a pocket out of old book paper. And this is the same image as what's on the cover, and I did a tip in. that, and another little baggie, another pocket page with journaling cards in it. And this is the other half of the envelope, and it just opens up and you can write inside of it. And the last page, and here is the back pocket, and I made, it's got this little, it's got tickets, and then this little paper clip I made, and then this is a little booklet that I sewed together in the middle. It's got a tag and some paper that you can write on. And there you go. And the back. And so that's it. This will go up in my Etsy shop probably in the next day or two. And I will post a link here in the comments as well. And if you're interested before it's listed, just let me know. Send me a comment or get hold of me, and we'll go from there. Like I said, there's a few more little things I need to do with it, but for the most part, it's done. All right, thank you. Bye.